Your entire household can enjoy reliable wired and wireless internet anywhere in the home thanks to this TP-Link wireless powerline adapter kit. Enjoy flexible broadband from any power socket in your home. The power supplies can be turned to Wi-Fi hotspots so you can get a wireless connection throughout your home. Up to 16 devices can be connected simultaneously to this dual-bound power line, meaning your laptops, tablets, smartphones and other devices can all be conveniently connected at once. Ideal for shared living or family homes. The Wi-Fi clone button makes setting up quick and easy. It copies the name and password of your router so you can quickly connect without complications. Quick and easy to set up, this TP-Link wireless powerline adapter kit provides internet access throughout the home with socket pass-through so you don't lose out on power points.